Hello everyone! Today I got my favorite stuffed crust pizza from Pizza Hut. I love them so much. It's so good. And I like to put avocado on my pizza. And it's really delicious that way. And when you get a pizza from Pizza Hut, if you don't get any toppings on it, they put I think it's like 25% more cheese. Some amount more cheese. Since you don't have anything else on it. And so I get extra cheese and no toppings, so then there's extra cheese on it. And then this one is with light Alfredo sauce. And I also got some garlic dipping sauce to go with it. And then I also have a Diet Pepsi. Alright. Try to arrange things in a way that works. So yummy. I love all the bubbles. I'm gonna see if I can stick this here. Yeah, no. Maybe I'll put this in my lap. I have limited space in this room. I am so sorry. We'll see how that goes. Oh my gosh. I've been craving this for over a week. And I'm so ready. We'll see how much of this I can eat, too. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so we'll start with this one. They did not cut this all the way. Oh my gosh. Good thing I have a knife for the avocado. Okay, this is gonna have to go over here. Oh my gosh. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I don't have a pizza cutter, so I can't even, like... It's okay, though, Pizza Hut. I love you anyways. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. It's separated. Alright. And now there's a spot for this to go. Avocado is so delicious on so many things. It's good on savory stuff. It's good on sweet stuff. Oh. It's one of my favorite foods. Oh my gosh, what is happening? You can go up there. Okay, so we got some sauce going. Oh my gosh. This garlic sauce with the avocado. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I want to cry. This is really good. Oh. It's like satisfying a craving like that. Oh my god. There's always so much cheese in Pizza Hut stuffed crust. Oh. I do wish that they still had the they used to make those like cheesy stuffed garlic knots. Oh my god, those are my favorite. It was like being able to get a stuffed crust pizza that's just crust. Like that's how it felt eating those. And when I worked there, it was when they had this, and I would get the cook to put extra cheese inside of them. It was so good. Oh my gosh. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to just recut all of these. Yay! Oh my gosh. Other than avocado, I'll sometimes get like spicy peppers, or like I'll put raw spinach on a pizza. I don't want it to like be cooked with it, because then it makes it like taste bitter to me. But like raw spinach on pizza is really good. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Ricotta cheese too. I wish that Pizza Hut had ricotta. And eggplant can be good too. Oh. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever had avocado with this garlic sauce before. I think I maybe have it. I think I've maybe had it with Papa John's garlic sauce. This is like so good. Like it was like pretty good with the other one, but like this is wow. Like I want to put this on like a sandwich that's like an avocado and other things sandwich, like just that as like instead of mayo or something. So cheesy. Oh man. It's so nice having a soda with pizza. It like feels like the acidic stuff in the soda like cuts through some of the grease. So it makes my stomach like settled better with all the grease. I think that's enough. I keep feeling like I'm gonna burp, but oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, so many bubbles. Oh my gosh. Oop, oop. Stay on there, guys. Oh, and start to feel myself getting full. I'm sure I can have at least one more slice, but I don't know past that. Oop. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Absolute burp factory. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I even drank that much soda. This one's the brown. Oh god. Even with me getting full, it's just like, oh, more. I'm gonna put the rest of this avocado on here just in case I can't eat another slice, so that I eat all of my avocado at least. Because avocados are expensive. Also, it's less of a thing that I can eat later. The pizza I can. Here we go. Alright, that's all the avocado. Oh, I feel like I need to burp more. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Okay. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Eh! The avocado went swimming in the garlic sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, what are you doing, avocado? So sorry you had to see that. Ooh. I am full. It is hard for me to eat more than half of a pizza. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's so yummy. I really want to eat more of it, but I don't think I can. Mm.